Hey guys, so I know it's been a minute, but I got some cool stuff done on the KZ rollin chassis. So, what did I do? I painted the frame and got some other stuff going. Got all of the bearings here and the triple tree re-greased, and wow, it's really hard to point like this. Anyway, I'll point like this. Cool. Stick around. Here it is. And go. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm just gonna say, time to paint. Let's get going. So I'm just gonna go around it with some Rust-Oleum filler primer, and right in the middle of when I was working, guys thought it'd be funny. No, I'm just joshing with you. But anyway, just kept going, priming it, and trying to get all the nooks and crannies, using it like a air gun. Alright, so I just got the primer all done. I'm gonna prep it for next coat. What I'm gonna do is this truck bed liner. I've used it on a bunch of different things, and I really like it. It's not super textured like Line-X or Rhino lining or anything, but it's got a really good thick coat, and it'll protect it well. Then I'm gonna kind of lightly spray it with the kind of this bronze metallic and see how that works. So here we go. I'd like to welcome you to the happy frame painting day. We're going to be painting black. All right, coat number 2, metallic. And now for intermission music. Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and. This is beatboxing. Part 1. Back to regular programming. Okay, that was just being silly, but it turned out pretty awesome. I really like the bronze texture here. Next, I'm going to work on the fork tubes. I brought it home, and this is just a quick video of cleaning them up. Almost forgot to wear my new shirt. Here I'm just doing the same process for the bottom half of the fork tube and the swing arm. So prime, paint with texture, and then metallic paint. And then this is just kind of showing what I was doing with some greasing the bearings on the frame tube. Got these cool grips. I think I got these on eBay. They're actually really soft. I'm surprised. I thought they would be kind of hard rubber. But look at that. That's texture paint and then metallic paint over top. Still got some work on the tank to do. Rear loop is all done. Looking cool. I'm excited. Textured metallic. It turned out really good. So, and look at this chrome. This is original. It's got some, but look at that. That's original chrome. Boom. Yeah, baby. Looks good.